Popularly known as Hermit Kingdom, Ladakh is bounded by two of the world's mightiest mountain ranges, the Great Himalayas and the Karakoram. It has plenty to offer to everyone. In recent years, river rafting in Ladakh has become an attractive option to complement sightseeing and features on the itinerary of most visitors. Indus is one of the most scenic whitewater rivers in the region. It provides tourists with whitewater rafting and camping options in absolute wilderness.
This water is very fast compared to what we're used to. It's usually very steep and rocky where we come from, so this is nice to get your paddles in some good water. It's very awesome.
The stretch between Spituk and Nimmu or Saspol is ideal for the professional rafters, and one from Spituk and Karu is ideal for beginners. Passing through densely forested mountains and through steep gorges, a trip down the river is one of the best ways to have a view of the splendid countryside in all its glory. No wonder more than 10,000 foreign tourists come to Ladakh, especially for river rafting every year.
I think it's a great adventure activity for tourists. It just allows you to get out and see nature and enjoy the river and have a good time as well.